is Natalie, and I did an LED push button project. My goal is to have the LED light up when I push this button, and I designed it using the Raspberry Pi, an LED, resistor, a button, 3 male to female wires, and 1 male to male wire. So I built this using, I first started out by taking this blue wire and setting it to pin 6, which is the ground. And then I set the cathode here and put it in the ground, and this wire for the button into the ground too, so that they're all sharing the same common ground. And then I set a resistor here and then connected the pin wire to pin, or I set the LED wire to pin 7, and this green button wire and set it to pin 12. So I programmed the project using Python, and since we're using Raspberry Pi, I imported the Raspberry Pi library. And then I set the variables LED to pin 7 and the button to pin 12. Then this line is for making sure the warnings don't display. And the GPI set mode is letting us use the pins on the Raspberry Pi. And I set up the LED pin as an output, and then the button is using the pull-up-down method. And then I set up a while loop. Inside the while loop, it says that if the button equals false, which means that if the button is pressed, then the LED pin is high, which means on. Else, if the button is not pressed, then the LED button is low, which means off. So, the first time I tested my project, the LED pin did not light up because I set up one of the wires for the button onto one of the power bolts instead of the ground, and then afterwards I fixed it and it started working again. And if I could do this project again, I would probably add multiple LED lights and multiple buttons so that each LED light is assigned to a different button when I press it. Thank you.